How to simple ways to create a new Gmail account. Do you want to make a new free Google email account? Whether you want to set up a new Gmail account for yourself, your child, or a friend, this can be done in just a few minutes. Creating a Gmail account is the same as creating a Google account, so you'll get access to other features such as Sheets, Docs, and the ability to sync your web browsing sessions on Chrome. This video will show you how to create a new Gmail account using your computer, Android, iPhone, or iPad. Step 1. Go to https://www.google.com/gmail/about in a browser. This will open a page with information regarding Gmail. If you're creating a Gmail account for your child and want to manage the account's privacy settings and content filters, you'll need to follow slightly different steps. Go to https://www.google.com. Click Sign and Create Account for My Child. Enter your child's information to create their account. Step 2. Click Create an Account. This will be a blue button at the top right corner of the window. You can also find this in the middle of the screen, next to For Work. You'll be redirected to the Google account creation page. Step 3. Enter your first and last name. Type your first name into the first name text box near the top of the page, then enter your last name in the last name box next to it. If you're creating a Gmail account for a friend, enter their information in the fields provided. Step 4. Create a Gmail username. In the username field, type in the username you want to use for your email address. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. This is the name which appears before the @gmail.com section of the address. You must enter a unique username that isn't being used by someone else. If it's taken, you'll see that username is taken. Try another. If the username you want is taken, try using a period to separate names, or add a number at the end. Step 5. Enter and confirm your new password. Type your preferred password into the password text box near the bottom of the page, then type the same password into the Confirm Password box to the right of the first password box. These passwords must match before you can proceed. Make sure to use a strong password to avoid any unauthorized access to your account. Check the box next to Show Password to toggle password visibility. Step 6. Click Next. This is the blue button at the bottom of the page. Step 7. Enter account recovery options. While not mandatory, you can add up to 2 types of account recovery options to your Gmail profile. Phone number. Type your phone number into the phone number field near the top of the page. Recovery email address. Type any other email address into the recovery email address field near the top of the page. Step 8. Add your date of birth. Click the month drop-down box and select the month of your birthday, then type the day and year into the day and year text boxes, respectively. Step 9. Select a gender and click Next. Click the gender drop-down box, then select one of the gender options in the resulting drop-down menu. Then, click the blue button at the bottom of the page. Step 10. Verify your phone number. If you added a phone number as an account recovery option, you'll need to verify your number. Click Send when prompted. Enter the verification code into the field. This will be in the format G000000. Click Verify. You may see the Get More from Your Number page. You can opt to receive video calls and messages with your number and make Google services more relevant to you. To opt out, click Skip. Step 11. Scroll down and click I agree. You must agree to Google's privacy and terms to create an account. Click More options to personalize your Google experience now. You can customize your web and app activity, add personalization, and YouTube history. You'll be signed into your new Google account. To use Gmail and access your inbox, click Gmail next to Images. Be sure to log out if you're using a public computer. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.